back to our new video. Ay,
Sorry pa ang bunny ang audition ng Toto.
welcome back to our new
The kids!
to our new video because I literally died for
The kids!
the contest. I literally killed him with my gun and he killed me for no reason.
Kill issue.
No.
Ano? Yo! No!
Come here. Revive me. Revive me, please. Did you kill the team?
Like the front.
Please help me. Help, Liam. I literally revive you.
I don't have revive.
Bro, are you serious?
I don't have revive.
Are you serious, bro?
I came here for the chest.
Oh, rifle ammo. No, don't take that.
Yes.
No way. Bro, please revive. Ashley, ka-revive mo ko.
Ano naman kung ba?
Nah! Liam, where's your bandage?
Oh, what's that? Okay. Hello.
Ay, mag-log ka dun niya. And open the
Guys, where are you?
Band 8, please. Oh, yes, pwede mo ka dito.
Thank you.
Yan.
Ilagit na ang bilis
Yan, pwede mo niya. Pero kada ko yan laog. Pwede mo ko yan.
Ay, tati. Revive with bandages.
Bandages. Bro, are you serious?
Oh! Hayat yung sasalita niya. I so scary. Uy, look! Look, may leather armor. 1 sec. Ay,
Me!
si Daddy! Tatin first.
Come here, where are you?
I'm here. Look. Here.
Yes, thank you.
Karupokol.
Kita kami mga fight na yan.
Yes, sir.
Giat.
Ha,
Kaya, princess ka kaya, princess na yan.
yes.
Let's basketball. Liam, let's basketball.
Get the good stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god! No, kada ko na yung good stuff. Giant crab.
Ashley, huwag ka ng spear. Do you have spear?
Yeah.
Liam, do you want spear?
Yes. Gusto ko poison.
No,
We do not care about
Liam, why did you take the rifle ammo? Please, no. Please, don't, Liam.
Natututo kasi
Liam,
ako
please,
mag-tagol.
don't. No!
Hindi, kaya natututo mag-tagol.
Liam, please, why did you get the rifle ammo?
Hindi man.
You sure about that, Daddy?
Yes.
You sure about that, Daddy? Huh? You sure about that, Daddy? We need to find the other two first. Ashley, put over right there. No one cares. No one cares.
We have the rifle.
Yes, at least we have rifle. Ah! Garda kita yung ni Ashley. Garda kita na.
At least si Jack.
Ibanta ka! I will ban you.
Okay.
You ne- I'm literally going out there for no reason.
Then why are you going up there?
I need some rifle. Oh no, I'm going back.
Daddy is very, very hungry.
No, I am very hungry.
Ay, gusto yan na dati.
Sumbongero gar ka boto.
Hey, frogs. Ah! Ay!
face. Oh my god. Why did you go? Where's my right?
Brother it. Okay. I didn't notice that I am very good.
Brother, ew.
With you. Wait, Ashley, excuse me right now. Excuse me, Ashley. Ashley, excuse me.
Okay.
The tablet.
Oh.
The tablet is the inside.
Well, I think I'm literally opening a chest in the igloo.
Oh, finish that.
Igloo. Igloo. Igloo.
Igloo.
Bro! Snowball.
Oh, leather body.
Give me the leather buddy.
No, thanks.
No. Why? Why are you doing this to me, Ashley? You are my friend.
Wow, don't care.
You are my...
I don't care. You didn't give me the leather body. So,
No one
stop
can...
bothering me.
No one freaking cares.
No one freaking cares about me. Ano ka ngayon? Oh my, ay. Iyo po, sinili.
Bakit?
Nagay ko sa mata.
Halika muna sa bibig ko muna dinatap. Huwag mo muna dali. Madali lang. Sa bibig dito, maglalaba ako. Lalaba ko yung damit mo. Okay. Post na muna mga bata. Bakit? Online game ba yan? Di may bayad yan. Bakit nanalo ka ba? May. Ano?
Ano YouTube?
Nasa YouTube kayo. Oh. Di ba may bayad ako?
Yeah, I will let you go back to the campfire. Oh my god.
Di ba?
Oh my god!
Ano ba mo? Nag-spray kayo. Ang what?
No! Liam, do not do anything.
Ano yung spray niyo?
Help me, Liam! Ano yung in-spray niya?
Ito pong perfume.
Liam, help me!
Oh my god.
Help me, Liam.
Guys. Nah, bro. I will go to the tent.
Help me.
Yeah.
Liam, help me.
No.
No! Ashley, help me.
I don't have fun.
Find Band-Aid. Gather tomorrow, okay?
No. Ikaw pag-pink. Uri. Tito yun yung kay Pusito. Pag ikaw yung si leather body.
Ito ito yung baga. Nagsabi si Liam kitatin mo na dang inot. Liam!
Yes.
Bako man ko ang nag-ano? Jealous, haha.
I'm not jealous.
Haha, jealous. Haha, jealous, haha. Haha, jealous. Haha, jealous. Haha, jealous. Haha, jealous. Ika. Stop!
Stop ka man.
Ikaw. Ibanta ka. Ang yabang lang.
Stop.
Liam, revive me. Liam.
Okay, I will find.
Liam. Help. Me, Liam. I just want to be.
Oh my.
Liam. Help! Ha!
Info.
Okay, bahala ka mo dyan. Kamu na dyan maano. Bahala. Asa nabanggi. Arep sili. Kada.
Naghanap man ko ko. Pero dikit na lang ko niya.
Garda.
Dikit ako magalang kang froggy. Ay.
I have muscles and abs. Look, Liam.
Yeah, one
Whole abs. Yan, may class ka mo yan sa Monday.
Wala.
Kami meron. Kami meron. Pero dito Friday, wala.
Bro! Oh my gosh.
Liam.
Help me, baby. Chest.
Uy, dati ba to? Asli, yung ko para nag-hug.
We can do this.
Anna, bro, we are stuck in this game.
Ay, no, go back, no.
I hate the body. Yam, okay, Yam hate the body. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Bye, guys.
Guys, see you on tomorrow. Bye-bye. See you on